Watch this video so I can give you a couple of warnings about some gotchas that you're going to face, and I don't want you to fall for those. So below this video is a link to download the Illustrator actions to make the isometric objects we're going to create in this project. So don't click on this yet. When you click on it, a few things are going to happen. One of them that might happen is you may get a window that shows up here that says sign up for Dropbox or sign in. Don't do it. There's a Google button, right? Don't do it. Just forget about that. You will get a little bar at the bottom that says accept cookies. Now, for the rest of the year, you may find individuals share files through Dropbox. So accepting those cookies is a good idea so you don't have to face that again, but you still don't have to sign up for Dropbox. So you click OK to accept the cookies, and then you're sitting here. This button doesn't seem to do anything. This one right here, just click on it. And the file downloads. I can switch over to the Finder and show you that I've got the isometric SCO cuts here that we're going to use. That's it. So now go ahead, click that link, click this, accept the cookies, click this link. Don't join Dropbox. You don't have to do that. And you have the file. Now we'll come back and I'll show you what to do with that file.